Good day, we are Group 9 and today we are going to present our final project for ITS 132P entitled FlexMetrics Fitness Center Gym Members Exercise Analytical Dashboards. To give you a quick background, FlexMetrics Fitness Center is an analytic solution designed for modern fitness centers. In the fitness industry, keeping track of member logs, physical attributes, and health indicators can be challenging if data is scattered. Our goal is to consolidate all of these records into a streamlined pipeline, helping gym management track member behavior and physiological performance easily. For the flow of this video, we will first look at our backend database records using MySQL. This will be followed by our data analytics and visualization layer using Tableau. And finally, we will wrap up with a quick conclusion. So without further ado, let's look at my SQL records.
Our 10 branch locations. For our database project, we built a gym management system called FlexMetrics, a multi-branch gym chain based in the Philippines. Our transactional database was built entirely in MySQL Workbench and consists of 10 tables with an additional table that is mostly consisting of branches with a total of over 5,000 records each. The 11 tables we created are members, membership types, payments, trainers, sessions, equipment, classes, enrollments, attendance, lockers, and branches. All tables are connected through foreign key relationships. For example, members links to payments, sessions, enrollments, attendance, and lockers through member ID. Our 10 branch locations um, are spread across major Philippine cities, including Makati, BGC, Ortigas, Quezon City, Cebu, and Davao, and so much more. Here we wrote 15 SQL analytic reports covering joins to combine data across multiple tables. So example right here, we run this to see this result. It's mostly just full member profile with their membership type details. Another one for another example. This one is just session history showing member name, trainer name, session date, and duration. We run this. Okay, this is the result. Next is group by and having to filter aggregated results. We see this one. Total revenue collected per membership type. Let me run this. Okay, this is the result. And then another one is just number of sessions handled per trainer. And this is the result. Next is ranking functions using rank, dense rank, and row number. This one here. This is the result. Lastly is subqueries and case statements for deeper classification. This one can be found here. It's considered as one. And this is the result. Next, we have OLAP queries. We also wrote 15 OLAP queries simulating data warehouse analytics covering roll up to summarize data from detailed to grand totals. So this one's an example here can be shown. This one, let's see. Yes, this is all the total payments and then revenues. Next is drill down to break summaries into individual records. Here, see, this is the result. The next is slice to filter on a single dimension. So right here, this is how the result looks. And then dice to filter across two or more dimensions simultaneously. So an example right here. This works, so this is the result. And then ranking, which can be notably seen from most of our membership type table, which is right here. So there's an example. See, sometimes mostly this can be seen in the either in the attendance or membership types or payments. And then lastly is trend analysis, which is tracking cumulative growth over time. This one right here, this is the result. Finally, we applied classification as our data mining technique, using a decision tree model to predict a member's membership type based on their check-in frequency, session count, payment method, and locker status, a combination of the other tables to have this result. The model achieved approximately 85 to 90% accuracy, with payment amount being the strongest predictor of membership tier. Key insights include that annual members have the highest gym attendance, and locker ownership strongly correlates with long-term membership commitment. That covers the SQL and database side of our project. We will now move on to the Tableau portion of the visual analytics.
Now, let's dive into our final Tableau dashboard, which serves as our executive summary page. To meet our core analytical goals, we consolidated our key data into a single, unified canvas featuring three primary KPI cards, a structured executive summary layout, and a five core interactive visualizations. As you can see, this unified view allows a manager to monitor the entire facility's data at a single glance. Let me quickly highlight our five core visualizations integrated here. First is the workout preference trends bar chart, which highlights democratic choices by showing how different genders lean towards specific classes like cardio, strength, or yoga. Second is our age distribution analysis, which maps out our target age groups to help management understand the core generation dominating our active facility population. Third is the BMI and physical attributes breakdown bar chart, which simplifies our health baseline tracking by showing the average BMI distribution across our three member tiers: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Fourth is our hourly calorie burn efficiency analysis. This highlights the average energy expenditure per hour across our training streams, showing exactly which workout modules yield the highest physical output. And fifth is our workout frequency and engagement levels graph. which tracks weekly attendance pattern to identify our most dedicated member segments and those who might need extra motivation. To demonstrate its full analytical capacity, we integrated dynamic interactive filters directly linked across the entire dashboard. As you can see on the right panel, we have our workout type filter. As I start unchecking specific options, the entire dashboard immediately isolates the data. You can see that the five visualization charts seamlessly shift our bars live on screen. More importantly, this interaction automatically updates our foundational metrics as well. Notice how the values of KPI 1, KPI 2, and KPI 3 are at the top recalculate instantaneously in real time based on our active selections. This shifts our project from a statical report into a highly responsive executive-grade business tool, giving management the power to isolate specific segments and make data-driven decisions within seconds. Supporting these visual charts, we have our foundational operational metrics spanning KP1 to KP10. These metrics instantly give management baseline overview of the gym's performance, such as the overall member count, average session durations, and common attendance spikes. For instance, in KPI 10, we isolated the average maximum BPM of our members, capturing a distinct baseline of exactly 179.9 beats per minute. To provide even deeper biological and operational value for fitness teams, we built five advanced metrics from KPI 11 to KPI 15 using Tableau's calculated fields. Here is a quick summary of what our calculations revealed. In KPI 11, hourly calorie burn efficiency rate, our calculation shows that members burn an average of 720.4 calories per hour of working out. In KPI 12, heart rate reserve capacity delta, we measured the average physiological gap between maximum and resting heart rates, which is exactly 17.7 BPM. For KPI 13, high intensity training engagement split, we isolated the percentage of member base actively registering for high stress workout streams like HIIT and strength training. KPI 14 advanced experience retention rate. We measured the volume of gym users consistently maintaining a high frequency care of 4 or more days a week. And lastly, KPI 15 resting heart rate recovery index tracks the gradual long-term lowering of baseline resting heart rates across active members as direct proof of improved heart rate.
To wrap things up, the FlexMetrics project successfully highlights how MySQL and Tableau can work together to turn raw numbers into valuable insights. With our database handling the records securely and our Tableau dashboard highlighting key performance indicators, gym owners and stakeholders can easily execute data-driven decisions to improve their operations. And that concludes our video project presentation for ITS 132P. Thank you very much for your time and for watching our demonstration. Have a great day ahead.